Thank you for calling customer care. This is Lloyd. How can I assist you today?
Hi Lloyd, I already called 3 times about my internet randomly disconnecting. Each time, I'm told it's fixed, but it keeps happening.
I'm really sorry to hear that this issue is still affecting you. I understand how frustrating this must be, especially since you've already reached out several times. Let me take a closer look at your case so we can get to the bottom of this once and for all. May I confirm your account number, please?
Sure, it's 0946-349-8126.
Thank you. I'm pulling up your records now. Just wait for a sec. I see. Hear that we've tried resetting your modem remotely and scheduled a technician visit last week. Is that correct?
Yes, but the technician said everything was fine, and it worked for a day, but then the problem came back.
Okay. Thanks for clarifying that. I really appreciate your patience. I'm going to escalate this to our network engineering team. I also add the full case history to avoid repeating steps and ensure they know this is a recurring issue. Would it be okay if I personally follow up with you within 24 hours with an update?
Okay, I just really hope this gets resolved.
Oh, absolutely, Ortiz. I completely understand how inconvenient this has been, and I'm making it my priority to get this sorted out. I'll also monitor the case myself to make sure it doesn't fall through the cracks again. Is there anything else I can help you with for now?
No, that's all. Thank you for taking the time.
You're very welcome, Ortiz. Thank you for giving us another chance to make it right. Talk to you soon and have a great day.
After reviewing the call, the team discussed what went well. They commend Ortiz for demonstrating empathy, active listening, and taking ownership of the issue. The agent reassured the customer by acknowledging their frustration, escalating the case, and committing to follow up personally. The professional and personalized approach helped build trust and showed genuine concern for resolving the problem. Next, the group identifies areas for improvement. While Ortiz handled the situation well, they could have investigated the root cause further instead of relying solely on previous troubleshooting steps. Additionally, providing a clearer resolution timeframe and offering alternative solution could have better managed the customer's expectation and reduce frustration. Finally, the team discusses how to apply these strategies in real scenarios. They agree that demonstrating empathy, accountability, and proactive problem solving should be standard practice. Recognizing recurring issues, setting clear expectations, and ensuring thorough follow ups will enhance customer satisfaction and trust. Moving forward, they commit to refining their approach to deliver even better service.